Hello everyone again. Today we're going to do subtraction, day 3 of subtraction, and we will only be doing differences within 5, which means our set will only start with 5 and then we'll take some away from that set of 5. Okay. So our first problem is going to look a lot like the ones that we did yesterday, where they give us a lot of our answers and we're just going through the steps to make sure we know what we're doing. So let's look at this one. There's not a number on it. There are 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4 birds. One bird flies away. How many birds are left? So we start with our 4. So we can trace our 4 minus. Here's the bird that flies away, so we circle it. Put an X on it. We can write our 1. 4 birds. 1 flew away. 4 minus 1 equals, how many birds are left? 1, 2, 3. And then we can read our math problem. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Let's turn the page. On this page, we'll start to notice that they are gonna give us the first one, the first number, the set number, but we'll have to write the correct number that leaves the set. So make sure you pay attention to the math problems as I read them. Okay, number 1. There are 5 penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 penguins. 3 penguins leave. How many penguins are there now? So we start with our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 3. This one tells us the 3. So we circle them. Put a big old X on it. Equals, how many are left? 5 minus 3 equals 1, 2. 2. There we go. Okay, let's look at number 2. There are 5 birds. 1 bird flies away. How many birds are still there? So let's count how many birds we started with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. Minus, here's our 1 bird that flew away. Minus 1 equals, let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. Number 3. There are 4 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 ducks swim away from the set. How many ducks are left? So we started with our 4. Minus how many leave. Let's circle them. Put an X on them. How many left? 1, 2, 3. Equals, how many are left? 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Okay, let's look at number 4. Turn my page so I can read it to you. There are 5 birds. 4 birds go to the water. How many birds are left? So let's start with our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 birds. How many did they say went to the water? 5 minus 4. So let's circle 4. They go to the water. Big ol' X on them. 5 minus 4 equals, how many are left? 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay, let's look at number 5. There are 2 birds. One bird walks away. How many birds are there now? Let's start with our beginning. We have 2 birds. Minus, how many walked away? 1. So let's circle it, X it out. 1 left. 2 minus 1 equals, and how many do we have left? 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, number 6, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to read the math problem for you a couple times so you can do it yourself and then send me a picture of what you have left. So number 6, there are 4 birds. 2 birds fly away. How many birds are still there? I'll read it one more time. There are 4 birds. 2 birds fly away. How many birds are still there? So I want you to do all the steps that we did with the other math problems, and then I will check it when you send it to me. And on the back, let me read you the math problem. Look at the subtraction problem or sentence. How many objects do you need to start with? 3. So you'll draw 3 objects. When you're all done, how many are left? 1. So I'm actually going to do this one with you. We need to start with 3. There's our 3 that we start with. When we're all finished, we need to have just 1 left. So I'm going to circle my objects until I only have 1 left. And here's my 1 left. I'll X those out. So 3 minus how many? How many left? 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Okay. I'll read you math problem number 8. There are 5 birds. Then 2 of the birds walked away. What is 5 minus 2? When you are finished, send me a picture.